Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Privacy and Security. Following that, click on Location Services available at the top. And to enable location, click on gray sweater next to those services. So when I do that, as you can see, my sweater is green. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on green sweater and then selecting turn off in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!